Take a ride in the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, tires, rear all-season, front disc rear drum brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.